Hey everyone, a quick show of hands. Put your hand up if you've ever thrown good food in the trash. Come on. Well, you're not alone. Did you know that 40% of all food produced around the world is wasted? That is like going to your favorite pizza place, taking 4 slices out of the box, dropping it on the floor, walking away, leaving them there to rot. Food waste accounts for 10% of all greenhouse gases emissions worldwide. 4 times more than the entire aviation industry. Of all of the environmental challenges we face together, food waste is by far the dumbest. Too Good To Go was founded in 2015 in Copenhagen by a group of young entrepreneurs. And they had a vision, finding a solution for the massive amounts of food wasted by buffet restaurants. They knew people prefer to buy the food at a discount rather than seeing it tossed out. That simple idea grew into the world's largest marketplace for surplus food. In the first few weeks after launch, hundreds of businesses uploaded their surplus food to the Marketplace app, and thousands of users collected their surprise bag of unsold surplus food. A win-win for the planet and their pocket. Our founders were entrepreneurs that started out with a strong conviction and a smart idea. But one thing, they were clearly not: developers. The technical foundations of the app was not the most resilient back in the day. And that created problems as we grew. And we grew fast. In 2018, after we had our first million registered users, the platform started to struggle. Our application was a classic PHP application with a single MySQL instance. Our systems was overloaded daily. We did not want to build a space shuttle. All we wanted to do was to scale and keep things simple for our 10 engineers. So what did we do? We started out with the easy options available to us. We could buy ourselves a lot of runway by using Amazon Aurora's built-in support for up to 15 reader nodes. We identified our read-only use cases and used separate connection pools in those instances. Then, we chose to rewrite the application into a Spring application, one endpoint at a time. That way, we could take advantage of better resource management, connection pooling, cache, message queue integration, and processing. We did not have to build a spaceship. We could simply take components off the shelf. We only needed to customize a little, mainly to achieve scalable high-performance endpoints, specifically those that could be treated as eventually consistent with lots of traffic. At 1 million users, we have almost been overwhelmed. But with these small improvements, we made it to 10 million registered users just 4 full years after launching. Our user growth continued to accelerate, and at the same time, the business wanted new features. And that brought us new challenges. When developers were facing the same scaling requirements, we wanted them to take from a central toolbox. Remember, we wanted to keep things simple. We went with a focused architecture where language and framework were fixed. Common patterns like transactional handling, caching, messaging, security, and background processes were a given requirement, and the same for all our services. Fixing the language and architecture in these instances lowered the technical complexity. This made the life of our engineers a lot easier. At this point, we are serving most of our traffic from eventually consistent sources, caches, and Amazon OpenSearch, protecting our transactional databases from large amounts of read traffic. And it allowed us to grow. By 2020, we had 24 million registered users across 16 markets. But food is wasted everywhere on this planet. More impact for us meant more growth. After Europe, we expanded to our first new continent, North America, in 2020. Different partners, different habits, different time zones. We wanted to be local from the first day, low latency and a great customer experience. But we didn't want to build a new app or infrastructure in the US. Remember? Keep it simple. Being on AWS made it possible. They have regions around the globe, so we could process locally in North America. But what does it mean to be in multiple regions? Do we duplicate everything? We wanted to expand on what we have, keeping it simple, but that did not mean it was easy. We went with an approach that fixes transactions for customers or partners in their home region, and we spread out the data we use to serve most of our read traffic. It required us to plug in Amazon SNS topics and Amazon SQS queues to spread out updates to foreign regions whenever data was updated locally, creating an additional patterns our developers could use. It worked very well, but it took a lot of work. And as you might start to imagine how it looks when the number of regions grow. With this, we continued our expansion across North America, launching in Phoenix, Detroit, and Cleveland this year, just to name a few. We were able to use the same blueprint to launch in another continent, Australia, this time with minimal effort. And today, we're a thriving community with more than 100 million registered users and 175,000 active business partners. So far, Too Good To Go has helped save over 400 million meals from going to waste. And we want to make an even greater impact. This year, we launched a new product, the Too Good To Go parcel. You can get groceries close to the end of their shelf life, avoiding food at the manufacturer level. Growth is what you want as a startup. But from a tech perspective, it can make for a rocky ride. One thing is certain, saving food with Too Good To Go must remain simple. Because right now, we are saving 4 meals per second, but every second, 80,000 go to waste. There's a huge opportunity ahead. The health of our planet depends on it. So, let me leave you with a question. How will you save more food from going to waste? Thank you.